Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and pair your new remote for your Amazon Fire Stick easily. Now, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is just simply make sure there is batteries in your remote. So some of your remotes may come with batteries, otherwise you might have to go to the store and buy some AAA batteries. Then when your Amazon Fire Stick is turned on, locate the home button in the center of the remote and hold this down. So if you hold this down for about 10 seconds, you'll notice a light at the top of the remote will start to blink green. That's an indication that your remote is trying to pair with a Bluetooth device. So it's going to blink even faster if you hold down the home button for longer, but I'd say hold down the home button for at least 20 seconds. Maybe you'll need to hold it down for 60 seconds or even longer, and you might have to repeat this process until it eventually connects to your Amazon Fire Stick. Now, if it doesn't connect, make sure you're close enough to the TV so you're not out of like the Bluetooth range, and maybe even like go around to the side of the TV because the TV could be blocking the signal, so come around to the back of it. Then also what you could try is going to your Amazon Fire Stick and simply unplugging it and restarting it. So let's unplug it for about 5 seconds and then plug it back in. Then wait for it to completely, fully reboot and start on. And go back to your remote. Hold down the home button once again. And then you should be able to connect. But if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.